Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to run Python code on Mac. So there are multiple ways to run Python code on Mac. The way we're going to use today is just VS Code. So there are 3 or 4 steps to follow in order to run Python code on Mac. First one is downloading VS Code. Second one is installing it and installing the Python extension. The third one is writing your program, and the fourth is running your program. So let's get to it. So just go to the VS Code website to download it. I'm going to leave the website URL in the description. All right, so it's downloading. Once it's done, we're gonna move it to, or we're gonna open it, unzip it. Then we want to move it to the applications folder. All right, that's done. So let's go ahead and open it now. Everything should be ready. Can close the other one. So what this one is it's telling you that it's from, it's an app downloaded from the internet, and it's asking you if you're sure you want to open it. Click open. It's a general warning. Usually get on Mac when you're downloading things from the internet. All right, so here it is. We installed VS Code. Now we just need to get the right, just need to get the Python extension. Yeah, it's this one from Microsoft, and it's already installed for me. If it's not installed for you, just click the install button. And that's it. You're good to go. So our third step is to just open or create a new Python file. Hello world. And then save as .py, which is the extension for Python. Save it on desktop. Yep. Save. Okay. All right, so our last step is to run it. So because we already installed the Python extension, we can just go ahead and click on this play button right here, top right, the screen, and it should run it. Yes, as you can see, it printed hello world. So we can make modifications and then just run it again. Yep, it works. It's good to go. Yeah, that's all for today.